Allow me to start the discussion with the question. How do you exert force on any object? Your mind will spark with different ideas like opening, throwing, pushing, hitting, pulling, kicking, lifting, etc. Here, there will be direct contact between the object and the force. A force that can act with being in contact with the object is called contact force. Muscular force, friction are contact forces. There are some forces which can act without being in contact with the object. Such forces are called non-contact forces. Gravitational force, electromagnetic force, electrostatic force are non-contact forces. In this video, we will talk about contact forces. Muscular force. The force resulting due to the action of muscles is called muscular force. For example, for pushing the block requires the muscles to act on it. Therefore, it is a muscular force. Similarly, hitting the iron nail, kicking the football, pushing the door are all muscular forces. Even our internal body activities like breathing, digestion are also possible with the help of muscular force. It helps us to perform all activities involving body movements. This is the force that enables animals to do actions like pulling a cart. Since this force requires contact, therefore this force is a contact force. Friction. If you are required to push a load on rough surface or smooth plane surface, which one do you prefer? Of course, you will prefer the latter. And why is it so? Because it is easy to push the load on smooth plane surface than on the rough surface. Let's perform an activity. Put a book on table and give a gentle push to it. What do you observe? Repeat the same but in opposite direction. Does book stop this time also? You will observe that when book is pushed gently, it moves forward in the direction of applied force and stops after some time. If same is repeated in opposite direction, again book moves in the direction of applied force and stops after some distance. Is there some kind of force that opposes the motion of load and book on the surface? Yes, the force is friction force. The friction force always acts in the direction opposite to the applied force. If force is applied in left direction, friction force acts in the right direction and vice versa. This is the force which enables us to walk on the ground. If there is less friction, such as when water is spread on the floor, it becomes very difficult to walk. You might have seen your friends slipping and falling on the wet ground. This is because of less friction due to water between the shoes and the surface. Since this force involves contact between the force exerting body and the body on which action is happening, therefore, this is a contact force. So I hope you must have understood the concept of contact forces very well. Thanks for watching and stay with Learn Fatafat to experience innovative way of learning.